Hi first graders, welcome to Unit 2, Week 4, Day 5. Let's get started with blending some sounds. Get ready? K, a, sh, cash, th, e, n, think, s, e, n, sing, st, n, stung, b, e, n, bring, s, m, a, sh, smash. Okay, now this time we're going to break apart a word, and I'll help you do that. Thin, th, n, 3 sounds. Fish, th, sh, 3 sounds. Ship, sh, p, 3 sounds. Flash, f, o, a, sh, 4 sounds. So what you'll notice is full is a blend and it has 2 sounds. F, o. Sh is a digraph and it only has 1 sound but 2 letters. Okay, cling. K, o, e, n. 4 sounds. And last of all, math. M, a, th. 3 sounds. Okay, so these are words that have end blends. So we have nk, not just end blends, but also digraphs. A lot of digraphs, I think, are the focus here. So we have sh, sh, and the last 2 are actually blend. Oh no, we have sh, we have n, which is a digraph, and then we have st, which is a blend. St, 2 sounds. Okay, so I'm going to give you 3 seconds to read these, okay? 3, 2, 1, think. 3, 2, 1, with. 3, 2, 1, shell. 3, 2, 1, wish. 3, 2, 1, stung. Okay, friends, let's blend this. 3, 2, 1, hip. Change the hi to sh, ship. Change the I to ah, shop. Change the p to t, shot. Change the sh to h, hot. Change the h to p, pot. Change the ah to I, pit. Change the t to n, pin. Change the p to w, win. Change the n to wing. Change the w to d, ding. Change the to sh, dish. Change the I to a, dash. Change the d to cl, clash. Change the cl to b, oh, whoops. Hold on 1 second. I have a mistake. So you're going to change the cl to ba and the sh to th. So this is ba and this to th. So bash. Change the sh to th, bath. Change the th to bang. Change the b to s, sang. Change the a to ah, song. Okay, nice job, friends. Okay, I'm going to give you 3 seconds, and then we'll read the words. Hopefully you'll read it before me, though. 3, 2, 1, ship. 3, 2, 1, this. 3, 2, 1, singing. 3, 2, 1, rabbit. 3, 2, 1, stand. 3, 2, 1, shop. 3, 2, 1, that. 3, 2, 1, rushing. 3, 2, 1, basket. 3, 2, 1, hump. 3, 2, 1, shell. 3, 2, 1, thing. 3, 2, 1, bringing. 3, 2, 1, picnic. 3, 2, 1, thump. 3, 2, 1, wish. 3, 2, 1, think. 3, 2, 1, clanging. 3, 2, 1, selfish. 3, 2, 1, desks. 3, 2, 1, fish. 3, 2, 1, Lung, 3, 2, 1. Banging, 3, 2, 1. Absent, 3, 2, 1. Vents, 3, 2, 1. Dish, 3, 2, 1. Song. Now, we've been working a lot this week on closed syllable. A closed syllable has a consonant, and then a vowel, and it generally makes the short sound of the vowel. It, or So this is den, closed syllable, tist, closed syllable, dentist. Okay, let's look at some more. Rab, consonant, vowel, closed syllable. Bit, consonant, vowel, closed syllable. Read it. Rabbit. Cell, consonant, vowel, closed syllable. Fish, consonants, vowel, closed syllable. Selfish. Pock, consonant, vowel, closed syllable. Et, consonant, vowel, closed syllable. Pocket. Fin, consonant, vowel, closed syllable. Consonants, vowel, closed syllable. Word, finish. And here's the sentence. The rabbit is in the basket. So we have two closed syllables for rabbit and basket. Okay, here are our high frequency words for the week. All. I see all the kids in the class. Call. I think I will call Seth. Day. I spent the day at the shop. Her. Beth lost her big bag. Want. I do want to sing a song. Do you want to sing a song with me? And here's our story for today. Let's read the first part together. Send a big thanks. Okay, let's look at some words we'll be reading today. 3, 2, 1. 1. 3, 2, 1. You. 3, 2, 1. Want. 3, 2, 1. School. 3, 2. Oh, we did 1. 3, 2, 1. They. 3, 2, 1. Make. Now cover with your hand. Cover up the E. That would be Mac. You have the E tickles the A to say its own name. A. Make. 3, 2, 1. She. 3, 2, 1. 2. 3, 2, 1. The. Okay, let's look at our story. Let's see if we see any of those blends. We have an N blend, send, and we have thanks. Oops. So we have ulp, sk, gur. So we have a lot of blends. Oh, we do have some digraphs, but not as many as we did the other day with the fish story. Okay, I'm going to let you go first, then we'll do it together. Okay, ready? Go ahead. Together. Send a big thanks. Your turn first. Together. One day you will want help. You can call and get help. Okay, let's start over one more time. One day you will want help. You can call and get help with a task. So that's like a job you need help with. Then you can thank them with a grin. So look at all these different kinds of people. These are people who help us, and they all have different jobs. From the ones I can see, we have a doctor back here, or a nurse, probably a doctor. We have a pilot, someone who flies planes. Some of these people, this one looks like a construction worker. These might be teachers or doctors or building constructors, people who work hard to help us get jobs done. Okay, let's look at this. So let's find any. We have So we have a lot of digraphs in this sentence, this little section. Okay, you go first. Together. At school, you can sing a fun song with a big gang. Thank the man that helped. Okay. And gang is like a group. That's the gang of friends singing. Okay, let's look at this next one. We have v, looking for those digraphs. We have gul, gur, which are blends, sk and blend. Okay, here we go. You go first, please. Go ahead. Oh, there's another one. Okay, together. If a bell rings, they must help. Okay, because they're firefighters. This job is a big risk. Thank them and grin. It will make them glad. So when they say it's a big risk, that means these people, even though they're wearing lots of protection, they could get burned or hurt. So we want to be grateful for people that help us. Okay, here's the next one. Oh, I see some digraphs. Shh, shh, and blend, st, blend, nt, and blend, digraph. Okay, let's go ahead and read it. You go first. Together. She can get a stamp. She can send things in a box. Did the box get sent? Then send a big thanks to her. Okay, last part for reading this story. I see st. Okay, let's go ahead. You go first. Together. If you get help, think of the best thing to tell them. A big thanks is the best thing. So here we have our policeman, our firefighter, and this is an emergency worker who helps people who have accidents. So medicine helps them. Okay, let's look at our closed syllable. Pocket. Pocket. Consonant, closed syllable, vowel, consonant, vowel, two closed syllables. Pocket. Okay. Basket. Basket. Consonant, vowel, closed syllable. Basket. Two closed syllables. Finish. Finish. Consonant, vowel, closed syllable. Consonants, vowel, closed syllable. Finish. Two closed syllables. Helping. Helping. Help. Consonants, vowel, closed syllable. Consonants, vowel, closed syllable. Helping. Fishing. Fishing. Fish. Consonant, vowel, closed syllable. Consonants, vowel, closed syllable. Fishing. Jumping. Jumping. Consonants, vowel, closed syllable. Consonants, vowel, closed syllable. Jumping. Okay. Okay, a proper noun has a capital. It's telling us a specific name, a specific place. A common noun is just common. It could be any school, any neighborhood. So let's read this and find the proper nouns. Ken and Len like to eat fizz puffs. So a noun is a person, place, or thing. So, who's my person? My people are Ken and Len. They're proper nouns because they have names. And do we have a place? No. Last of all, do we have a thing? We do. What do they like to eat? Fizz puffs or Cheetos. And that is a name because it's a specific kind of thing we like to eat. Okay, friends, that's all for today. See you later.